Sairam students, welcome back to the session. I know you all must be feeling very happy because your online exams got over. So students, today I am not going to teach any new lesson. This week is an activity week. So I will teach first I'll teach and then we will do the activity. Okay, so let's start. Just look at the screen. View the picture on the screen. This is Mr. X. He is a pirate. Children, do you know who is a pirate? Yes, a pirate is a person who attacks and robs ships at sea. So Mr. X is a pirate. He takes his ship to dangerous seas just to capture huge treasure. While he was going through one of such treasures, he came across something valuable. Do you want to know what it was? Yes, it was a treasure chest. When he opened it, he found a piece of paper. And he was told that using this piece of paper, he could actually locate a big treasure. Let's see what that piece of paper was. It looks something like this. Mr. X was excited. He was very excited to get this piece of paper because it could actually give him the location of a treasure. But this piece of paper actually is a set of images, or we can say collection of images. So how could this help Mr. X to locate big treasure? He was very confused and he was informed that this is actually a treasure map. And just like this, there are so many maps. Maps are very valuable. They are very useful because they give information about a lot of things, such as location of a place, how a place looks, what are the different landforms it has, and how to get to that place. So students, if you know about map, actually you can read the treasure map too. So let's quickly understand what maps are so that we can help Mr. X to locate his treasure using this treasure map. So what is a map? You all must have seen a map in the school library or in your class. Your teacher brings a map and explains you different things, isn't it? So the physical features like mountains, bridges, hills, are they shown as it is in the map? No. There's a major difference what you see on the ground and what you see in the map. I'll just explain you. See, this is the image of Howrah Bridge. This is the actual image of Howrah Bridge. And now we will see the image of Google Map. We'll see the image of Google Map. See the Howrah Bridge, how it is shown in the Google Map. This is the Howrah Bridge which is shown on the Google Map. Okay, this is the real image, but see how it is shown. It is not possible to show as it is the real image in the map. So these images are flattened and it is represented in a piece of paper. Did you understand? It is not possible to show the real image as it is on a paper. So they are flattened and they are represented on a piece of paper. Now look at this. This is, I know, you all know, this is our planet Earth. How does it look? Yes, it looks like a ball. Okay, can you present this on a piece of paper? Can you present this as it is on a piece of paper? It is not possible. But if you flatten it, you can present it on a piece of paper. So when you flatten it, it will look like this. Is that clear, students? So when images are flattened and presented on a piece of paper, they are called 2D maps. Okay. Now look at this. This is a neighborhood map. In this map, see here, it's a simple map. Here, see the lanes are clearly mentioned. The streets are clearly mentioned. There's a landmark. It's a shop. It's a landmark. A landmark is an important place. So everything is clearly mentioned. So a person can, if he or she wants to go to a particular place, he can go without any difficulty. This is a simple map. Now look at this map. This is a city map. Mumbai city map. A city map is bigger because it gives more information. It gives information about the different roads, railway stations, where are the different zoos located, and what are the tourist attraction. So if you have a map, you can go to that particular place. You can reach very easily. This is a map, India map. See here, all the states are clearly shown so that you are somewhere here in Maharashtra, and if you want to go to Karnataka, you can go easily. And from Karnataka, if you want to go to Tamil Nadu, you can go without any difficulty because you have a map with you. Is that clear, students? This is the world map where you can see all the continent. Okay, all the continent on a piece of paper. See here. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Where is India located? Here. Okay. So if you have a map, you can easily travel from one place to another. Suppose if you want to go to some other place, by air you can go from here. You can go from this route. If you want to go by sea, you can go from here. Is that clear, students? Okay, now let's come to the treasure map. Now he was told, Mr. X was told that his treasure is in this island and his ship is somewhere here. He wants to go to that island. So suppose if he takes this route, there's a octopus on the way which will harm his ship. So what he will do? He'll go from here and he'll take this road and he will reach the island. So if you have a map, see, he can see what are the dangers on the way and where are the other ships. You can easily understand. Okay. So a map is a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface such as a piece of paper. So students, I think I'm clear. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now there are different types of maps. So we will learn one by one. Just look at the picture on the screen. What do you see? Yeah, there is a fence here and there is a boundary here. So we all have boundaries and fences around our homes, which you can see here. So why do we have boundaries and fences, students? Why do we have? Yes, because they separate our area from our neighbor's area so that we can take care of our area, we can take care of our side of the fence, and the neighbors can take care of their side. Similarly, the entire earth is divided into different countries. Did you understand, students? So similarly, the entire earth is divided into different countries so that they can take care of their own area or country. Okay, and all the countries have boundaries. See here, you can see the different boundaries. So all these boundaries are called borders, and they are decided by the government of that particular country. So they can take care of their own country. So students, is that clear? So such type of maps are called political map. This is a map, different types of map. This is a political map of India. Here you can see there are boundaries so that the particular state can take care of their area. Is that clear? This is a political map. If you want to know the different states, you can refer the political map. Suppose if you want to know which state has features like big mountains, deserts, lakes, seas. So what would you refer? This political will not help you. So you will refer to a physical map, which you have learned in your previous class. So a physical map gives information about the different landforms of the country. So look at the screen. You can see Himalayas here, Thar Desert, and different seas. So if you want to know which state has different features like mountains, you can refer physical map. So different maps can signify different things, isn't it? There are other maps which show, see, this is a map of India which shows minerals in India. And here different symbols are used. See here, different symbols are used, which I will explain you in the next class. So this is a map of India which shows minerals found in India. This is map showing major crop. Is that clear, students? So different maps can signify different things, particularly political and physical map. They are very different from each other. If you want to know any physical features, you have to refer physical map, and if you want to know about the different states and the capitals, you have to refer to the political map. So students, the remaining part I will explain you in the next class. Until then, bye. And I'll also explain you how to locate places in a map. So students, we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.